Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Kroger Plus card to ensure it's active and linked to your account, follow these quick steps to confirm your card status and manage your rewards. Step 1. Open the Kroger app on your smartphone or visit Kroger.com in your web browser. Sign into your account using your email address and password or your Plus card number. Step 2. Once logged in, tap on your account icon or name in the top corner. Select Account Settings or View Account from the menu options. Step 3. Look for the Kroger Plus Card section within your account settings. This area displays your card number and account information. Step 4. Review your Plus card number to verify it matches the physical card you use in stores. Make sure the status shows as active. Step 5. Check that your personal information is correct, including your name, phone number, and email address. Update any outdated information to keep your account current. Step 6. Navigate to the Fuel Points or Rewards section to verify that your Plus card is properly earning points on eligible purchases. You should see your current points balance displayed. Step 7. If you notice any discrepancies or your card appears inactive, contact Kroger customer service through the app or by calling the number on your card. They can help reactivate your card or resolve any account issues to ensure you're earning rewards on all your purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.